How to add background blur in Lensa. If you take a great photo but the background is just distracting, Lensa can fix that in a second. Let's make your subject pop up by adding a cool background blur. First thing first, let's open the Lens app. After you are inside, you will be taken to the photo section, and this is how it look like. Now you can just choose the photos that is in your gallery, or just tap on this add button right over here and choose the photo you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this one. Then tap on import. It's already here, and then after it you will be seeing this type of interface, and there's options right over here and right over here too. Now let's find the option called blur. Let's scroll, and here you can see an option for the blur. Simply tap on it. Now you can see that slide that controls the intensity of the blur. Slide in left to right, just like this, and you can choose the intensity of blur that you want. And I think this is fine. You can also find an option called default. The one we used was Lensa's smartness, where it detects the subject and the background and it just blur it out. And if you are not satisfied with what the Lensa did, we can just use this default section and just tap on the blur area and increase in intensity. And there's an option for the motion, picture, and just for option. You can just play around them and choose the one that suits for your photo. Once you're happy with the blur effect, simply tap on this save button, which is right over here. You can say top right corner, tap on it. In my case, I wouldn't be able to export it as I'm using a free version. And if you're using a trial version or a premium version, you'll be able to export this one too. And that's it. You have successfully added a professional looking background blur using a Lensa. Pretty neat, right? And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.